Okay, I'm going to add in here the a transmission pressure sensor, like for example for your fourth gear lockup circuit or your third gear trans torque converter lockup circuit. Same principle. Got the pressure sensor on there. Got my continuity. And as you can see, you would need a bigger gauge because the pressure is a lot higher. This gauge only goes up to 100 psi because I primarily use it more for like oil pressure sensors and stuff that doesn't require high psi's. But the transmission pressure is pretty high. Now, this already tests good. I know that because it ended up being my lockup solenoid that was bad. But I still wanted to check it, and then I realized, hey, I could splice this into the video because I recorded this video a long time ago and I still haven't edited the motherfucker. So bonus for you, you get to see that. But if I was to swap out my my gauge, you're gonna see it goes well above 100. Well, not well above. There you go. See that? So that is a normally open switch that as soon as the transmission is in fourth gear, it opens up the pressure to that port, to that pressure sensor, and tells it, let me go the right way here. I'm in fourth gear, turns it on, allows torque converter lockup. And we're off. These can be either a 1-post or a 2-post, depending on if you got a 1-wire or a 2-wire torque converter solenoid. The 1-wire solenoid is going to have 2 of these, and a 2-wire solenoid is going to have 1 of these.